Adobe Dreamweaver cs6. What is Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 used for? Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 is a software remedy that comes packed with the Adobe Creative Suite family members of software or is a standalone program. Dreamweaver permits you to produce expert-looking, spectacular sites even if you do not know the first thing about HTML or CSS when you start using it. Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 features an intuitive, easy-to-use layout that flaunts improved query mobile assistance in addition to program combined with other Adobe-based products such as Adobe PhoneGap and also Adobe Service Stimulant. It offers a grid layout that permits multi-screen user interfaces which allow the assimilation of CSS3 usages and administration. Dreamweaver cs6 is the most recent version of Dreamweaver that comes packaged with Adobe Creative Suite 6. You can likewise purchase it as a standalone item. Dreamweaver cs6 can be gotten in office supply shops or purchased online as a CD. It can additionally be downloaded from the Adobe website. When you do so, you will certainly additionally buy a permit to use it. Once you pay for Dreamweaver cs6, it is your own to utilize for as long as you desire. You never ever have to pay for it once more unless you determine to update. Dreamweaver has ended up being the conventional web design as well as a development tool for lots of organizations, and also Dreamweaver cs6 required to reply to the method the web has altered, along with the method it is changing. About Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 certification. The motive of the Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 training course is a collection of tales as well as revealing them up in an eye-catching means with the help of numerous devices. It serves the purpose of routine expressions of codes or texts throughout the website. Students will understand the skills of effectively developing the internet site. They will additionally have the appropriate knowledge of the suitable insertion of texts, formats, as well as columns or tables. The course will assist you to understand the fundamentals of the application of the software, and also the specific areas you want to utilize it for. This extensive training program is developed for those who would like to establish a profession as web designers. Significance of Adobe Dreamweaver training in 2021. Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 training course instructs essential methods for operating in Dreamweaver while modifying as well as developing HTML and cascading style sheets, CSS. Learn just how to develop web pages for the modern-day web use and personalize prominent internet structures to develop web pages for a wide array of desktop and also mobile devices with a minimum of hand coding. In this training course, you will certainly find out to maintain and provide your internet site with Dreamweaver's site as well as web page administration devices. In this training course, you will utilize Dreamweaver CC to lay out, construct, keep, and upload websites, produce multiple use site assets. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Adobe Dreamweaver cs6 training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Dreamweaver training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Adobe Dreamweaver training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/